The most famous Quant Mutual Fund is being probed by SEBI for front-running activities, and investors so scared and jittery that has been a huge redemption of 1,400 crores days after SEBI probe on this matter. Today we are going to see what is front-running and how it impacts our mutual fund investments. Should we really stop our SIP and other investments in mutual funds related to Quant? Quant Mutual Fund, founded by Sandeep Tandon, secured its mutual fund license from SEBI in 2017. The company attributes its success to a suite of analytical tools emphasizing valuation, liquidity, risk appetite, and time. Quant has built a successful predicting track record benefiting institutional investors and wealth management clients. The size of Quant's AUM increased 1,000 times from 2019 to 2024, which is like it was close to 90 to 100 crores during 2019 time, which has grown to 90,000 crores in 2024. SEBI is probing about the front-running activities and conducted search and seizure operations at Quant's head office in Mumbai and also at the addresses of suspected beneficiaries in Hyderabad. What is front-running? To understand front-running, we need to understand how mutual funds place orders and how they, invest the mutual fund investors' money into the stock market. So mutual fund houses in India buy and sell shares through registered stockbrokers. Mostly they do not directly deal with them. So they place bulk orders with the brokers who then execute the trades on the stock exchange. A bulk deal in the share market is a deal where the total quantity of shares bought or sold is greater than 0.5% of the share capital of the company. So front running involves making trades based on privilege information. Like for example, if a particular mutual fund already given information to a particular broker that they want to buy this much quantity of a particular stock, and then if somebody leaks that information even before this deal is happening, they say buy the particular stock, and the moment the big block deal happens, what will happen? The stock price will go up. So after it goes up, they make a decent 10 to 15% hype and exit the particular stock. This is called front running. Though Quant Mutual Fund has issued a clarification assuring investors that it is fully committed to cooperate with SEBI, the investors are quite jittery. Some of the Quant mutual funds like small cap funds have given historical phenomenal returns in the recent time. So the investigation has raised concerns about the integrity of past returns and potential impacts on future. Front-running probes and action from SEBI is not new. Earlier, SEBI has barred Veeresh Joshi, the fund manager of Axis Mutual Fund, and 20 entities linked to him in front-running case linked to the fund house. The regulator has identified 30 plus crores as ill-gotten gains made through the front-running activities and directed that the amount to be impounded during 2019 timeframe. What is the key concern about Quant Mutual Fund front-running scam? So there are about 14 companies where Quant Mutual Fund is the only solo investor compared to other mutual funds. So there are a lot of chances what has really happened to the price of these particular stocks in the recent past, and there is a chance of major impact to these companies. So investors, small investors in particular who have invested in these 14 companies should really relook at their portfolio and be careful about their total investment. What should we do as small investors? Should we really stop our SIP? So very important thing is we need to stay informed and understand what's really going on, and we need to continue to review our investments in these mutual funds. And one important thing we should always do is diversify. Do not put all your mutual fund investments into one fund house. Always spread across 4 to 5 different mutual fund houses. And of course, continue to monitor all the fund performance on a periodical basis, at least like a monthly basis. So being proactive and cautious can help mitigate potential risk during these uncertain times. But of course, these things do continue to happen because of fraudster or scammer within any kind of mutual funds, not just Quant Mutual Fund. So that does not stop us from SIPs. We need not stop all these mutual fund SIPs. Only thing is we need to see how Quant is taking action and ensuring prudent action against those scamsters. Like SEBI will definitely do that, so we don't have to panic. Thank you so much for watching. Please click the like button if this video is useful to you, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe.